Question is function power another function. The moment I see this in the exam, the first thing that should strike to my mind is to take log on both sides. We will take log on both sides. When we take log on both sides, take log on both sides. Is it okay? When we take log on both sides, I'll get log x power y, that is equal to log e power x minus y. And I was clearly telling you base of log is e here. So I can say y log x to the base e, that is equal to x minus y, log e base e. And we know from the theory, when the number and the base of logarithm is the same, as per the change of base of logarithm, change of base rule of logarithm, log a base b is log a by log b. So log e by log e is 1, correct or not? So we can write now y log x, that is equal to x minus y. So I can say y log x plus y, that is equal to x. Take out y common, 1 plus log x, that is equal to x. So y is equal to x divided by 1 plus log x. So this is clearly of the form now u by v rule of differentiation. If I say u by v rule of differentiation, differentiate, see that is what is the question expecting from you, dy by dx, that is equal to v square is 1 plus log x the whole square into 1 plus log x into 1 minus of x into 0 plus 1 divided by x. Differentiation, all right. What is the differentiation of u by v? V square, v into differentiation of u, minus u into differentiation of v. Differentiation of an independent constant 1 is 0, whereas differentiation of log x is 1 by x. So what's your answer that we get now? Dy divided by dx, that is equal to 1 plus log x minus 1, x and x will get cancelled, divided by 1 plus log x the whole square. So your value for dy divided by dx, that is equal to log x, see your plus 1 and minus 1 will get cancelled, divided by 1 plus log x the whole square. This will be the answer to the question.